Today I'm gonna show you how to hang these blinds from Home Depot here in a super easy, in 5 minutes, okay? Just follow me. Inside the frame mount, first thing you have to do, you put these brackets on the frame inside. And they have to be about 1/2 inch space. I'll show you. Mount the blinds to the bracket. Before we do that, make sure you put these hooks. Make sure you put these hooks, and it's easy. You just put them here, press, and they're gonna go in. And that's for the front part of it, okay? We hold it like that. Super easy, and then you push it back, it's gonna click. That's it. Last piece, okay? Should be super easy. Just click it in here. Supposed to click in. That's it. Beautiful. And here's the last one. It's supposed to just click in. You just put it here. That's it. Now you put it down. There you go. All done.